Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing this Boba Bam Instant Boba Pack brown sugar flavor that we picked up at Costco. We've got everything that we need assembled here. We've got our boba pack and our boba straw, some scissors to open it up with, 8 ounces or 1 cup of milk or milk substitute, whichever you choose to use, some ice, and then some sort of container. I'm going to use a glass to microwave your boba pouch in. First thing that we need to do is go ahead and cut the edge of our boba pouch so that it can vent. And then we're just gonna pop that into our microwave safe vessel right here. Now, they recommend microwaving this for 1 minute, but I personally find that that makes it bubble over and get way too hot. So I would recommend doing it 45 seconds. At least that's what works in my microwave. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right, now our boba pack has just come out of the microwave. It is quite hot, so just be careful with that. We're gonna go ahead and pour that directly into our milk container. Like so, and then we're gonna go ahead and give that a good stir. And then you can add your ice as much as you'd like. And here is our completed brown sugar boba drink. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we'd purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.